Welcome back to another guided sleep meditation. Get comfortable in your bed. And in this practice today, we'll be continuing with the body scan practice, but today we'll be adding a little twist. So we'll be doing a gratitude body scan. As we move through the body, scanning through, we'll be sending some gratitude and appreciation, appreciating what the body does for us, being grateful for it. So you may want to lay on your back for this meditation. Looking up toward the ceiling, arms at your sides, letting your belly be soft, and letting the breath be natural. There's no need to control the breath. See if you can sink a little bit lower into the mattress. Can you let gravity pull you down? And connecting with the full body. Can you feel the general outline or shape of your body? What does it feel like to have a body? And we can start this gratitude body scan by bringing our attention to the top of the head, the area of the scalp, or the crown of the head. And as we go through, just inviting that sense of gratitude for the role that each of these body parts play in our lives. So, starting at the top of the head and feeling the skull and the scalp. And perhaps sending some gratitude for the protection that it provides. Thank you for keeping my brain safe. Moving down to the forehead, becoming aware of the eyes and the eye sockets. Sending gratitude for the gift of sight. Thank you for giving me the ability to see. Thank you. Moving down and feeling the nose and the nostrils. Sensing. And giving gratitude for the sense of smell. Thank you for allowing me to smell. And moving down toward the mouth, feeling the lips and the teeth, feeling the tongue. And as you sense into that area, giving thanks for all the different things that the mouth provides. Thank you for the ability to taste. Thank you for giving me the gift of speaking. Thank you for the gift of chewing. Sending gratitude for your mouth. And slowly moving your awareness down to the chin and into the neck. Feeling the different muscles of the neck and giving gratitude. Thank you for supporting my head. Thank you. And moving down and feeling both shoulders. Down the biceps and the triceps. Feeling into the elbows and the forearms, the wrists, the palms of the hands, and feeling into all the fingers. And giving gratitude for all that you are able to do with your arms and hands. Thank you for giving me the gift of touching and feeling, for grasping, for writing and typing, appreciating your arms and hands in whatever way feels right to you. Thank you. And moving your awareness back through the arms and into the chest. Feeling the lungs and giving gratitude. Thank you for the gift of breathing. Feeling the rise and fall. As you move down and feel your heart, the area of the solar plexus. Thank you for beating. Thank you for bringing blood to the rest of my body. Thank you. And moving down and feeling into the abdomen, and reflecting on the stomach and intestines. Thank you for the gift of digestion. Even if you don't always work as I like you to, for the most part, you are functioning, allowing me to gain strength from the food I eat. Thank you for being there. And moving your awareness down into the pelvis and feeling your sexual organs. Sending gratitude for all that they have offered you in your life. For all the times of pleasure and joy and connection. Thank you. Moving your awareness down into the hips. Feeling the hips. And giving gratitude for allowing you to move. Thank you for taking me places. Moving your awareness through the backside and into the buttocks. Thank you for giving me a comfortable seat, for always supporting me. Moving your awareness down through the knees, into the shins and the calves, through the ankles, and resting in the soles of your feet. Can you send gratitude to your feet? Always supporting you, no matter where you go, they carry you. So thank you. Thank you for the gift of movement and walking. and expanding your awareness out into the rest of the body, and sending gratitude for any place that feels left out. Anywhere else that you recognize deserves some appreciation. And then letting the body rest. Letting the body take a break and recuperate. Allowing yourself to fall into sleep.